Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. So let's get started. So I'm taking the Anastasia Dipbrow in dark brown on a NYX brush. I actually really like this NYX brush better than the Anastasia. I feel like it gives it more of a defined line, which is what I'm going for. Then I clean the top with my foundation and a Sigma brush. I'll have it linked at the bottom. So if you guys mess up while doing your brows, it's okay. You can always go back and clean it and just fix little errors. Also, if you guys are looking to try to grow out your brows so that they look fuller, I highly recommend hiding your tweezers. I noticed that helps me not pick at every little single hair that I would see and made the process a whole lot easier. So if that's something you want to do, highly recommend hiding your tweezers. So I'm going in with the Tarte Sheer Tape Concealer and just filling in the rest of my eyelids. I like it to be a very even color right before I'm applying my eyeshadow, so this is just what works for me. Then I'm going in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I really love the way this works and how this makes my eyebrows look. I just feel like it holds them more in place. So I'm going in with this yellow color. As you can see, I barely have any of it left because it's so bomb. I need to get a new one actually. So I'm going in with the, fuck, it's going too fast. I probably shouldn't have fast forwarded as fast as I did. But, you know, this video would have been really, really long. So then I take this orange color and I put it at the inner corner of my eyes. I normally put it on the outer corner as well, but I wanted to try something different and I really liked how it looked, so I just left it like that. And if you guys want that color to stand out a little bit more, just keep packing it and blending, as always, till your arm hurts. I'm going in with this NYX glitter liner. If you guys haven't tried these, I really recommend them. They're so bomb. They go on really easy. I like them better than the actual, you know, the whole glitter glue and then pressing the glitter on top. These work really nice and super easy to use. And they stay on all day too. So that's a plus. So I constantly get asked what foundation I use. This is it right here. I have been using this for years. It is my go-to, my holy grail. I recommend this foundation. I've tried other ones like from Ulta and I just don't like the way it looked. It would leave me patchy. But this one right here, it blends really nice and I feel like it blends in with my skin really well to make it match. I don't know. Bomb. Can't even say anything else but bomb. So then I'm gonna be going in with the IT Cosmetics foundation brush. This makes my makeup look even more blended. I really love the way these work and it just gets those places that the sponge doesn't get. I'll have all of the brushes linked in the description. Then I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as always, in light medium. And then I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier setting powder and I'll be putting that on after. Then I'm just going to go in with the IT Cosmetics concealer brush. This makes it look even more blended out once again. I hope you guys are really liking this Get Ready With Me so far. I think next time I'm just gonna record myself talking instead of doing a little voiceover. So if you guys have any questions or any feedback, please comment down below. Snap me. My Snap, Instagram, and Facebook is all in the description. But yeah, just give me your guys' feedback. I love to hear what you guys think, whether it's good or bad, you know. Help me improve. So I'm also using this Morphe, I believe it's the Morphe M10 brush. I'll have it linked in the description as always. And I'm using the Hoola matte bronzer. I absolutely love it. And these eyeshadow brushes that I'm using right here, this also came in a little kit that I actually got from Ulta of the It Cosmetics brushes. Super amazing. I really use them every single day, so you guys need to check that out. So then I also bought a second brush of the Morphe M10 for my highlight. It works so good, and I feel like it just goes on really precise, so you know I had to get one for my bronzer and for my highlight. And as always, I'm using the Laura Geller Big Gelato for my highlight. And for my lips, I always use the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks in shade Bow and Arrow. I always have that on, always, always, always. So if you guys are wondering, that is what I'm always wearing. Then I'm going to be using the NYX glitter liner once again, and I just like to put it at the inner corner of my eyes as well, and at the bottom of my lash line. I feel like it makes my eyes just pop, you know? So this is my makeup for today. I really hope you guys like it. Please comment down below if you guys have any feedback, and I will see you guys on Sunday.